Hello guys and welcome to today's bias identification video. I'm going to run you through my bias for the day, what I'm thinking on the market and what pairs I'm looking for to take a trade on, and what is my based idea on the market right now. So without that being said, before we go into the video, please don't forget to smash up the like button and to hit that subscribe button to let us and to help us reach 220 legends before the end of May. Alright, after you did the subscribe, you did, right? Alright, thank you, bro. With that being said, let's get started in today's video. So, today's bias, actually, I had a bearish bias due to the multiple reasons. So, firstly, let's go into the daily time frame. And as you can see on the daily time frame, we're still trading in a bearish order flow. We did ended up refilling this daily fair value gap, and we are now seeing some retracement back, but we are still trading in a downtrend on the daily time frame. So if we wanna scale in and see what price action builds in lower time frames, you can see that also on the 4 hour we are creating it. We are in a downtrend, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, and now I'm looking to take a trade on the lower lows. So here we have these 4 hour highs that got taken out literally when New York session opened. We have these 4 hour lows and these all the way down 4 hour lows, and we also had these higher time frame or high resistance draws on liquidity. So with that, if we scale down even more to the lower time frame, on the hourly time frame, you can see that when London session opened, we came up, we created this high. Then at the start of New York session, we came up, we took out these London session highs, and we fill in this order block. We filled in this huge order block. Also, we came down, but by that time I was not at home. I was in a really long trip of probably 200 kilometers, and now I just got home a little 3 p.m., 1 hour in New York session. So I look at for the market really quick. I marked out my confluences, my key levels, but I'm still waiting. The market did not give me anything. It's true that we came down the hourly, we made the breakout structure, we invalidate this 1 hour fair value gap, but then I'm still waiting. Price on the 15 minute ended up creating a bearish 15 minute fair value gap. Then what happened? I kept waiting. Price ended up going high. We took out this buy side liquidity. We created the bearish SMT with GJ. After that, what I'm currently looking for, I wanted this price to invalidate this 15 minute bullish fair value gap, to then potentially take a trade after the breakout structure on the 15 minute and see if 5 minute continuation confluence get hit, and I'll enter based on the 1 minute structure being broken or breaking out. So what I was looking for is, after breakout structure to the downside right here, I will aim up for these sell side liquidities, low resistance sell side liquidities, and potentially I will look even more for these London session lows to get taken. But now it looks like we're going back. To take out this new buy side liquidity to the upside. But then if price continue going to the upside with not doing anything, we still have this hourly bearish fair value gap. As you can see, we maybe fill it out, and then we're probably going to see the reversal. But then if nothing happened, my setup, it's now currently 5:19 p.m. I will wait even more for 6:30 or even 7 p.m. If no model appeared by that time, I'll walk off of the charts and never take a trade. But now we're creating equal highs right here that maybe price is going to push up higher later to take out this buy side liquidity, so I need to be careful on that. That is my bias on USD GPY. That actually that is my model that I always trade, and that's it. I did not find any trade entry by this time. But then if we go on to the GBP GPY, Sorry guys, I did pause the video for almost now 1 hour. I was like waiting for the chart and I had to went out. I had to do something, but I was looking at the chart from my phone. Now I was telling you about GBP GPY, but GBP GPY is went just already went against my bias, so my bias is invalidated for GBP GPY, and like I was aiming for a sweep of liquidity of these London session highs and these 4 hour highs, and then potentially see some reversals on the hourly time frame after taking out these hourly highs. And I just wanted to see a reaction from taking out these highs and rebalancing into the fair value gap into the order block. And I wanted to see this fair value gap getting validated so I can potentially like take a short from this and aim for these by low resistance sell side liquidity to the downside, and potentially even like scale down and aim for these agency lows. But then while I was like looking at my charts from my phone, like now nothing has happened and the trade ID is invalidated. But if you look closely, we have a bearish SMT, higher time frame bearish SMT, as you can see, and we just on USD GPY we just broke the structure to the downside. And also on the hourly, we did rebalance into the hourly fair value gap right here, this hourly fair value gap. After retracing back into the fair value gap, we respected it. Now if we scale down to the 15-minute, we did ended up like breaking the structure to the downside with this candle closing below this. And if we go to the 5-minute time frame, you can see that we created a bearish fair value gap right here, and then price ended up rejection into it. So what I'm currently looking for is price like breaking below this low on the 5-minute or even like on the 1-minute, because on the 1-minute we already like broke this low. So I might just like after just invalidating this 1-minute fair value gap, I think I'm just like enter into this trade. Fuck it, I don't know, I'll keep like keep my eye on it. And I don't know if I should like pause the video or do a trade recap or a market recap. I don't know. Like I'm super tired today. I did a lot of fucking things and I'm super fucking tired and I need to sleep so bad, because I woke up today like since 3 a.m. I woke up 3 a.m. literally like fucking roller coaster. I know I always like wake up at 5, but not 3 a.m. bro. I used to it, but on March I woke up every day at 4 a.m. But bro, woke up at 3 a.m. Went for a trip for almost 200 kilometers, bro. That is like fucking some stupid ass shit. But whatever the thing is, I'm currently like looking at the chart right now, and we just broke the structure to the downside. So my trade will be like initially taken out after breaking the structure to the downside on the 1-minute, and my stop loss, I think it will be above this fair value gap, because we just created the fair value gap on the 15-minute right here. And I don't know, because we just created the fair value gap right here on the 5-minute, we did retrace into it, and I will just like think I might just set my stop loss above this 5-minute high. And right as soon as we like break this 1-minute fair value gap, I will jump into this trade. I already like calculated the risk, so I might just enter in front of you. Boom, my alarm just hit. So this could be like live trading. I'm just waiting for this 1-minute candle to close, and I think how much pips? 14. All right, 14 pips. So all right, let's just wait for it. This could be a live trading day. Damn, bro, I think this is the second time that I'm doing live trades with you guys. So that's it. That's currently it. I already like explained every single thing about this trade, and now I'm seeing like the entry signal. Also, I told you that I'm going to wait till 7 p.m. to hit. If there is nothing before 7 p.m., I will not enter a trade. If there is, like, I will enter, like this one. We got just the candle did not like close. I'm still waiting. Did close like not in my favorite point. I want just the candle. I wanted like to close below this low. Hold on, I'm going to pause the video so you don't get bored. I'm still waiting, boys. So now, boom, just entered one position, two positions. So now I just entered. I'm going to set up my stop loss and my TP. We just like close below this. I got filled right here, so everything's looking good. This is the trade that I entered. I don't know about this one, but we actually like did broke the structure to the downside. I don't know if we get the retracement back into this, we are fucked, but like we just like broke the structure to the downside on here, especially like the 5 minute is going to close now below this low, so that will like potentially gave us a pretty much more potential to win this trade, but who knows. You gotta stick to the plan. I don't know, I took this trade a little bit like late, just 1 minute before the 7 p.m. just in 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock just hit. So yeah, I think I'm not going to pause this video. I'm going to like remove now recording. I'm going to stop recording, and I will potentially like make another trade recap or a video after this trade hit stop loss or break even or TP. And eventually I think after taking out this low, I'm going to go break even on this trade, because like I don't want to like risk more on this trade. That's it. After we take out this low, I'm going to go break even. So y'all gotta like y'all show like y'all watched every single thing about this trade, me entering live like in front of you. So that's it. I hope this trade is going to be a winner, and I'll catch you guys up in the next video, trade recap or a market recap. And that's it, boys. Stay tuned. Goodbye.